Hey everybody, what's up? It's your boy Abax, the Fat American. And we're reacting to another Nightwish because I am hooked. I've already reacted to Romanticide, and I also reacted to I Want My Tears Back. And those were both live from WAC in 2013. Now I am reacting to an official music video for the song Noise. This official music video is 1 month old, so it's fairly new. The other two were from 2013, so 7 years old. So this is, I see, Nightwish has so much music, so many videos, so many live performances. There's so much to react to, but I don't want to go crazy, I still want to pace myself, but this is my first official music video. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch the music video. If you watch my videos, you already know I don't interrupt the video, I don't stop and comment. I watch it all the way through, and then at the end, I just give my opinion. I don't know if anybody cares about my opinion, but I give it anyway. I mean, people watch my videos, so I guess someone cares about my opinion. But anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'll be giving my opinion on the song itself, but also on the music video. So, this is Nightwish, Noise, official music video, 1 month ago, already has 3 million views. Let's get into this.
artificial human horizon, something purifying slaves. Rise from the sunless world. Your mirror is black, only a compass stares back at a slave of brave new world. Rise, living coin in human voice, breathing slowly and paranoid, careless lies. Careless lies.
Okay, cool. I enjoyed it. I like the song, so let's do the song first. As far as the song itself goes, I like the song. I did. It's heavy. I really like the melodic. I actually really enjoy that kind of like very melodic tune. Very fast paced and very, I don't know, I like it. I just like the sound of it, but it's like really heavy and really gritty, but very clean at the same time, if that makes sense. I enjoyed it. I mean, it made me bob my head, you know, kept me interested, it kept me entertained. Sounded good, some cool riffs, some cool breakdowns, like, I like it, you know, and I like metal, I like that heavy stuff, and it was fun. Man, it's just fun to listen to. You know, I mean, it's not speed metal, but it has a lot of traits from speed metal or like thrash metal, and then it's very melodic at the same time. It's very good. I really enjoy it. You know, you can tell like there's a lot of influence from a lot of different groups and a lot of different genres. Because I wouldn't just call this like one type of music. Like you can tell like, and they've kind of made their own sound, which is cool, and I really like it. You know, it's kind of like the best of everything. It's fun to listen to. It's great. She's a great singer too, by the way. I really like her voice, man. There is so much power in her voice. I mean, it's just so intense and powerful, and it's really fun to listen to. The video, I still have to think about the video. The video was fun to watch. It was, you know, when I'm watching music videos, I want to stay entertained. I want to, you know, for me, because I am ADD or you could even say ADHD, I have a really hard time focusing on and staying focused on one thing for even 4 or 5 minutes. So it's kind of like the ultimate test. If you can keep me focused and entertained, if I can focus on your video for 5 minutes, then it's a good video. You know, because I want to stay, like, I want it to captivate me. I want it to keep me, you know, on my seat. And that's what I'm looking for in a music video. Because if it's boring, it's boring. I lose interest. I lose focus. I move on. And this was not boring. This was very fun to watch. It was entertaining. At the same time, it made you think. You know, like, I'm not a huge fan of like music video. Like, I don't need a super complicated music video with like a lot of subtext or a lot of, you know, whatever. But I also don't want like a super simple. Like, I want something that's gonna make me think a bit. I want something that's gonna keep me interested. And this did that. It kept me interested. I was watching. I was really watching. Like, 'cause there's a lot of moving parts. The thing about this music video is there's a lot going on, and to be honest, I'm not even going to attempt to analyze the meaning or the subtext, the context of this music video. I also would need to really read the lyrics and really understand all the lyrics if I were going to do that, and that's a whole nother beast. Maybe sometime I'll do that, but for this, it's more on just my initial reaction. I don't have a problem with there being a lot of subtext and a lot of like deeper meaning. Like I'm cool with that, but I'm just like I'm not even going to tackle that right now. But it was very clear, it was very obvious that there's a lot of moving parts. There's a lot going on in that video, a lot to think about. I mean, there are obvious things that jump out to you. Obviously, it has something to do with our society today and the fact that, you know, we're all constantly glued to our phones, and you know, I mean, there's a lot of obvious things, but there's a lot going on. You know, a lot of moving parts, a lot of pieces in that video. But that's cool. Like, I like a video that makes you think. You know what I mean? I enjoy watching videos and then afterwards being like, all right, let's think about that. Like, that's fun. You know, I like having some substance to that, not just, you know, a 3-minute video of whatever goofiness. So that was fun. The video was fun. It was well done. The graphics were really good. I mean, I liked it. I thought it was great. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 because the song was great. The video was great. Maybe one day I'll do, you know, context analysis. Maybe I'll make a video talking about, you know, the meaning behind videos. You know, kind of analyzing the meaning, the deeper meaning. I don't know. I'm not up to that for that right this second. But let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. If I have enough people who are interested in watching that, then that could give me the little push to do that. So if you would like to see a video of me analyzing the meaning behind videos, then comment and let me know, and maybe that's something I'll work on. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for listening to my measly opinion, and I hope you'll watch my next video. Stay tuned for whatever is going to come next. And that's all I have to say for now. So, goodbye, be careful, and don't let the corona get you.